This video I am going to tell you how you can add meeting notes in Google Docs. For this you need to log into your Google account, click here and then you need to select Google Drive. After that you need to click on new and select a Google Doc. So you need to type @ from your keyboard and scroll down. Herein you can see there's an option of meeting notes. Just tap on meeting notes and you can see these are my calendars and I have saved these calendar dates. So if you want to know how to create a calendar, you can find my video in I button as well, how to create a calendar and how to create an event. So I will select this 27 September event here. So you can see notes are showing and I can type notes here now. So I have written 3 notes and I can add action items here as well. You can type anything. So I have written these action items as well. So now you can click on attach to attach this note to the meeting. So you can see attach document to the event. It is done, and these are some action items. You can see add a note, you can add emoji as well, or you can suggest any edits. So you can add comment, you can type anything, or you can add others with @ sign. You can simply type anything. Click on comment. So a comment is posted. So I hope friends now you will be able to do it. If you face any problems, you can comment below and I will definitely give you reply. If you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.